Before looking this episode, you must watch the first part of the uses of possessive as a subject of the sentence.
Hello friends, this is Dr. Ankisna and I welcome you all in my channel Easy English Tutorial. This is the latest episode of Let's Talk in which we will understand how to use possessive in the middle of the sentences. Friends, as I told you in the previous episode that possessive can be used in the middle of the sentences. And in this episode we will learn that. We will take the help of some examples by which we can understand it in a better way. Look at these examples. Suppose you want to say, मैं तुम्हारा मित्र हूं. You will say, I am your friend. हम लोग तुम्हारे मित्र हैं. You will say, we are your friends. वे लोग तुम्हारे मित्र हैं. You will say, they are your friends. वह तुम्हारा मित्र है. You will say, he is your friends. Especially in the masculine gender. वह तुम्हारी मित्र है. You will say, she is your friend, especially for the feminine gender. Dear friends, you are looking at how easily and conveniently we are making so many small and useful sentences of our day-to-day life. Friends, possessive can be used with the singular and plural subjects as well. See in these examples, suppose you want to say Ram तुम्हारा मित्र है. You will say Ram is your friend. सभी लड़के तुम्हारे मित्र हैं. You will say all the boys are your friends. Then you are seeing in these examples that how easily we can speak out so many useful and small sentences of our day-to-day life. It is very much easy. You can also do this. Dear friends, always remember one thing in your mind, that if you want to be good in English language, in that case, you have to choose very small and simple sentences. Only then you can be good in English language. And especially for speaking English, it is very much essential. Always remember this technique. Dear friends, at last, I will request you, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, share it with your friends and family, press like button and let me know about your valuable comment. That is very much essential for me. You loved this episode. For this, I am highly grateful to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. See you in the next episode. Till then, goodbye. Be healthy. Be cheerful.